Sir, I am in Marimondag taking up base MT3 from section 2B. So for this video, I'm going to explain the calculation and accuracy. So 12.1, the accuracy of all calculations performed by ICDIS should be independent of the characteristic of the output device and should be consistent with the system database accuracy. 12.2, bearings and distances drawn on the display of those measured between features already drawn on the display should have accuracy no less than that afforded by the resolution of the display. 12.3, the system should be capable of performing and representing the result of at least the following calculation. First, through distance and azimuth between two geographical positions. Second, geographic positions from known position and distance with azimuth. And the last is geodetic calculations such as spheroidal distance, rhomb line, and great circle. Performance test, multifunction alert, and indications. ICDIS should be provided with means for either automatically or manually carrying out on-board test of major functions. In case of a failure, the test should display information to indicate which module is at fault. 12.2, ICDIS should provide a suitable warning on indication of system multifunctions. So backup arrangement. Adequate backup arrangement should be provided to ensure safe navigation in case of an ICDIS failure. So first is facilities enabling a safe takeover of the ICDIS function should be provided in order to ensure that an ICDIS failure does not develop into a critical situation. Second, a backup arrangement should provide means of safe navigation for the remaining part of a voyage in the case of an ICDIS failure. That's all, sir. Thank you.